welcome back to episode 3 of my Skin Diaries with Dermalogica. I am currently in Cairns, far north Queensland, on a fragrance press trip, and it's pretty humid up here. My hair is hating it. My skin, on the other hand, is quite happy. About a week ago, I went to Dermalogica head office to try their new Exo Booster treatment, and it was phenomenal. I was really excited because the before and after pics are incredible. It starts with their signature double cleanse, followed by a powerful peeling solution to prep the skin. Then comes the star, a cutting-edge combination of microneedling and exosome technology. So exosomes are tiny cell messengers that help rejuvenate and repair your skin on a cellular level. And now we're going in with the needling, which was a little bit spicy, but not intolerable. Now this bi-phase booster uses lactobacillus exosomes to deliver potent actives directly into the skin. And the results? In clinical trials, this treatment gave an 86% greater reduction in wrinkle appearance compared to microneedling alone. And is suitable for all skin types, especially if you're looking to seriously firm, smooth, and revitalize tired or aging skin. Now after the treatment, they gave me this little Exo Booster ampule to use for the next 3 days. And I also took with me their post-treatment kit, which is the ultra calming products, so that basically the skin can recover properly from the treatment. But I had barely any downtime. My skin looked fantastic for the next few days, and now it feels a bit like I'm a snake that shed my winter skin. My skin had been dry and just dull, and after the treatment there was the peel, so that really just brightened everything up. And then the infusion of all the great ingredients from the Exo Booster. So highly recommend you go and try it. There is a discount code for all Dermalogica products, which we'll put in the show notes and the captions. So make sure you try it, and I'll see you next time.